Dear friends, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel Khandani Bagicha. Today I am going to tell you the health benefit of makoi or black night seed. Friends, from arthritis to period cramps, black night seed or makoi will help you deal with it all naturally. Taking too many painkillers might give you relief from the pain, but it also messes with your immunity. Thankfully, black night seed can help. Friends, just a few days ago, a piece of news took the world of health and wellness by a storm. That news was all about the health benefit of makoi or black nightshade, rather its ability to fight off COVID-19 naturally. Makoi is called by many names, but its scientific nomenclature is Solanum americanum. Even though the fruits of this plant look like small black berries, they can actually be quite poisonous according to many experts. That's why people consume the leaves of this plant by boiling them in water to make. Most commonly, black nut seed is known for its immunity boosting powers and pain eliminating abilities since it reduces inflammation and swelling in the body. And so we are presenting 5 health benefits of black nut seed that you must know about so that you can take better care of your health. It helps you deal with body pain and period cramps. Period cramps and stomach infections are a part of parcel of our life. But instead of depending on painkillers, you can rely on makoi. Black nightshade has antipyretic agents which are most commonly found in painkillers, which targets the pain area and provide relief. According to the above mentioned study, this plant also helps in gastric pain, and if anyone is dealing with arthritis in your near and dear ones, then ensure that they consume a concoction made with this plant to deal with inflammation and morning stiffness. Number 2. Makoi Kadha can help in the prevention of jaundice as well. The leaves of this plant are rich in antioxidants and helps in strengthening the liver of a person consuming it on a regular basis. That's why when someone is suffering from jaundice or any other liver disease, then drinking the extracts of the black nightshade plant is advised for faster and better recovery. Third, if you are dealing with skin problems, then you can apply a black nightshade face mask. Here too, the antioxidants and antimicrobial properties of the plant have a major role to play. The therapeutic quality of makoi helps in regeneration of new skin cells, which bestows you with ageless beauty. Also, people with skin problems, burns and boils can apply a paste made with the leaves of this plant for a soothing effect. Also, if you have egg troubles, then too applying this face mask can also be great help. Number 4, it can also help you treat UTIs. The phytochemicals and the antimicrobial properties of black nightshade make it a perfect fit for those who deal with recurring urinary tract infections. Consuming it increases vaginal secretion and urine output, which help in flushing out the bacteria and virus growing inside your vulva. It can help tame your panic. Black nightshade is diuretic in nature, and that's the reason why it can help you calm down in the most anxious situations. The oxidative quality of this plant keeps the oxygen levels high in your body so that the stressors can be kept in check. But before you get your hand on this magical plant, we would like to give you a heads up. We agree that there are a lot of health benefits of black nightshade, but only when you consume it in right. So get in touch with your physician to know how you can reap the benefit of this plant. Moreover, Solanum nigrum naturally occurs in Africa and is used as a food as well as medicinal plant in Cameroon to treat pneumonia, itching teeth, stomach ache, tonsils, wingworms, pain, inflammation and fever, tumor inflammation, and also as hepaprotective, diuretic and antipyretic. Friends, some people apply black nightshade directly to the skin for a skin condition called psoriasis, hemorrhoids, and deep skin infections. The bruised fresh leaves are put on the skin to treat swelling, burns, and ulcers. How does it work? There isn't enough information to know how black nightshade might work as a medicine. But there are a lot of medicinal properties of this plant. Dear friends, black nightshade has anti-diabetic properties. Scientifically, this plant has provided to be the best naturally medicine for diabetic patients. Most of the diabetic patients in India have suggested adding black nightshade to their food. It has also anti-ulcer properties. One of the significant health benefits of black nightshade is curing ulcers. The anti-ulcer properties in the plant can help anyone with an ulcer. Boil black nightshade in coconut milk and add a pinch of salt and have this soup. You will quickly see the difference in treating ulcer pain. Scientific research showed that black nightshade prevents acid secretion and causes ulcers. People who have mouth and stomach ulcers can consume black nightshade daily. Solanum nigrum or black nightshade is a perfect medicine for spleen disease also. The antibacterial properties of Solanum nigrum kill the bacteria in the body that causes illness and diseases. The plant works on your body to improve the immune system and fight microorganisms. The herb plant strengthens spleen muscles and calm down the stomach ulcer. Black nightshade leaves, turmeric powder, cumin seeds and a pinch of salt with gingerly oil can reduce the body heat. In this way, you have seen that black nightshade prevents jaundice, cures appetite and feel of D states, cures spleen diseases, cures ulcer, it soothes sore throat, works natural laxative agent, helps digestion, remedy for fever, stimulates kidney function, helps fast pregnancy, cures skin disease and helps good sleep. Solanum nigrum is originated in South Africa. The common name of Solanum nigrum is the black nightshade. It is a medicinal herb found in wooded areas. Here are the 12 amazing health benefits of black nightshade: leaves, stems, roots, flowers and fruits. We can consume this green as a medicine and as a food in our regular diet. Thanks for watching us. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share it to other friends. Goodbye.